Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan a calmer life. Now, back by popular demand, I've been asked and hit up on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely check it out here. Link it up. My link is always in the description, but follow me on Instagram, shoot me any questions or video requests you may have, and I will happily oblige to it. But in my last video, which I will put up here, I put up a must-have planner organization, and so many of you responded and loved that video and asked me to do a follow-up video. So here it is, and this is showcasing my planner card. Now, this is one of two planner cards that I have. I know I'm a little bit excessive, but in fairness, I am a teacher and I do have a lot of teaching and planning and stationery stuff, but I want to take you through some of the organizational components that I use in this cart to help make planning and organizing my planner supplies a lot easier. So here we go. So first things first, I have these dollar store bins. Now, these were literally $1 at the dollar store, and I love them. I use them to keep and organize my various, oops, that was the toaster oven, my apologies. I use them to store my dot markers in this one here, and then in this one, I use it for mild liners and other highlighters, along with some sticky notes. And this one, I have all my pens in here. And this is just great in terms of organizing things to fit nicely in the cart, and it's great to go. This I showed in my last video, and these are the little bins from the dollar store, so I won't spend too much time on that. I have two of these, one for my washi tape and one for miscellaneous. I usually tend to use these buttons. These are from Rae Dunn. I got them from Winners or Home Sense. And I just, if I have something to do that's important, I just kind of put it on there like that and use like a Post-it note, and that helps to remind me if I am needing to do something. And then next over here, also featured in my last video, I have these Rae Dunn teacher accessory type things, and I just put my supplies. These are some earphones in them, etc. And then this little thing is a stationary carrier, and I use and store all my Tombos in here. Ain't that pretty? I just love how that looks. And I got this idea from at Julie's Plans. Love it. And then down here is how I store all of my Happy Planner stickers. And yes, I am that excessive that I labeled my stickers, and it just makes it so much easier. I just use my label maker, stuck the label on, and I've had it like this for about 5 years, and they've held up great. Next up, I have these white containers here. I featured them in my last video, but these are perfect to organize like just little, miscellaneous stickers and cards that I get, things like that. I have another one here that I use to organize these items here, and this is my label maker, some travel, pencil cases, some stickers, and some calligraphy pens I recently got, and my household checklist chore thing, and then a Rae Dunn desk decor. And then here's another one, and I just keep all my planners in here and my planner stickers as well. So all my planners. So this is my Moterm Traveler's Notebook Companion, my Hobonichi Weeks, and my Hobonichi Cousin. And then down here, I have a bunch of Happy Planner planners. I use them for a variety of different things. I will link a video down below and in the card showing you how to choose the right Happy Planner for you. Down here is another one of those plastic containers, and that just holds all of my containered, zippered pouches. And then here, these containers are great. Got these from the dollar store. They come with the lid as well that goes on top, and I use them to store miscellaneous notebooks and planner and stationery supplies. So I have one here like that, and then I have the other one here like that, and they're just great. My planner card itself, I don't know if I've mentioned that, but this is kind of the large version. I will throw the name up on the screen because I can't remember offhand, but it is fantastic. I believe I got it at Michael's. I have the smaller version as well, and they are just fantastic tools to organize all of your planner supplies. So I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. It was a quickie. As you know, I am in grad school right now and it is busy, but I did want to share with you how I organize my planner supplies and the cart that I use, which is fantastic. Definitely a must-have. Definitely check it out, and definitely worth every penny if you want to organize and plan your way to calm by keeping all of your planner goodies in check. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to give this video a big old like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check back into the channel because I always have videos every week. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.